Most learners study English alone. But today, watch what happens when two students, Aisha and Rohan, practice English together through real-life situations. Speak with them, shadow them. By the end, your English will sound smoother. Scene 1. Classroom warm-up. Aisha.
All right, Rohan. 7 minutes, only English. Deal?
Full English? No Hindi at all?
Nope, not even a word.
Fine, but if I freeze, you jump in.
Of course. Let's warm up first. I can speak confidently.
I learn every time I speak.
Fluency is built, not gifted.
This already feels good.
Great. Let's step into scenario number 1.
Scene 2. Supermarket practice.
Aisha, when I come to stores, I get nervous speaking in English.
Then today you won't. Let's practice together. Let's pretend we're looking for pasta.
Okay, I'll ask first. Excuse me, could you tell me where the pasta section is?
It's right behind you, aisle number 4.
Thank you so much.
Nice, now I'll try. Hi, do you have gluten-free pasta?
Yes, we do. It's on the top shelf.
Great. Can I see a different brand as well?
Sure, here you go. You sounded so confident.
Because I use simple English. Try these lines with me. Where can I find this item? Could you recommend something better? That will be all, thank you.
Shopping suddenly feels like an English class.
Well, a tasty one.
Scene 3. Office scenario practice.
Okay, now imagine we're colleagues working on a project.
I like this. Let's begin.
Good morning, Rohan. Did you finish the presentation slides?
I completed the first part, but I still need to add the graphs.
All right. Do you want help with the data analysis?
Yes, that would be great. I'm not very confident with numbers.
No problem, we can work on it together after lunch.
Thanks, Aisha. I really appreciate it.
Anytime, and don't worry, your work is improving a lot.
Really? That means a lot.
Let's shadow some clean office English lines now. Let's discuss this in detail.
Could you walk me through the steps?
I'll update you by the end of the day.
Thanks for your support. This actually feels like real teamwork.
That's the point.
Scene 4. Phone call English.
Hello, Aisha. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can, but your voice is a little low.
Oh, sorry. Is this better now?
Perfect. So, about the report, could you repeat the last line? The call broke.
I said I'll share the updated version in an hour.
Great, thanks for the quick response.
Anytime. Let me know if we need to add anything.
Sure, before we move on, let's shadow some phone call lines. Could you repeat that, please?
Give me a moment. I'm checking.
Thanks for your patience.
I'll get back to you shortly.
Scene 5. Shadowing power drill.
Now comes the most powerful fluency booster, shadowing.
My favorite part.
I improve every time I speak.
I can talk to anyone, anywhere.
I don't fear mistakes.
My English gets smoother every day.
Now a longer paragraph ready. Confidence comes from practice. The more I speak, the more natural I feel. I'm not waiting for the perfect moment. I'm creating it.
I felt powerful saying that.
That's the energy.
Scene 6. Meeting new people. They imagine meeting someone new outside the campus.
Let's pretend we're meeting a new classmate.
All right, you start.
Hi, I'm Aisha. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm Rohan. I've heard you're really good at presentations.
Oh, thank you. I'm still improving. What are your interests?
I like music, reading, and apparently now I like speaking English. Laughs.
Good. Practice makes everything fun. I really enjoyed talking to you. Let's stay in touch.
Hope to see you again soon.
Aisha and Rohan practiced English together across real situations, shopping, office talk, phone conversations, and meeting new people. Shadow this daily to improve your fluency.